Hi everyone, welcome to the Back Chanel YouTube channel. Name is Car Gears Sana. The legend is back. The all-new 2025 Mazda RX-7 has arrived, bringing back the iconic rotary power in a modern sports car package. But does it live up to its legendary status? Let's dive into the exterior, interior, performance, and overall verdict of this highly anticipated machine. Exterior. Narrator. The 2025 RX-7 is a head-turner. Mazda has beautifully blended the classic RX-7 DNA with modern design elements. Up front, you get a low-slung, aggressive grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted hood inspired by the original FD generation. The side profile is clean yet muscular, featuring wide fenders and a sloping roofline that screams aerodynamics. Narrator. At the back, the signature round taillights pay tribute to its predecessors while incorporating a futuristic LED pattern. And let's not forget the dual exhaust system and the subtle ducktail spoiler, a perfect mix of sportiness and sophistication. Whether you go for the classic red, the new metallic blue, or the stealthy black, the RX-7 looks absolutely stunning. Interior. Narrator. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that balances performance and luxury. Mazda has used premium Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber throughout the cabin. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster with a rotary-inspired tachometer, reminding you of its racing heritage. Narrator. The 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes with Mazda's latest UI, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. The rotary-inspired drive mode selector sits conveniently on the center console, allowing you to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes effortlessly. Narrator. The Recaro Sport seats provide excellent support, especially during spirited driving. While the RX-7 remains a two-seater, there's ample legroom and cargo space, making it more practical than before. Performance. Narrator. Now, let's talk about the heart of the RX-7, the rotary engine is back. Mazda has re-engineered the legendary 13B rotary, now named the Sky Active R. This 1.6L twin-rotor engine, combined with a mild hybrid system, produces 365 horsepower and 290 pound-feet of torque. Narrator. Yes, you heard that right. You can get the RX-7 with a 6-speed manual transmission or a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic. Power is sent to the rear wheels, delivering an authentic sports car experience. Narrator. Handling is where the RX-7 truly shines. Mazda's advanced kinematic posture control (KPC) and a perfect 50/50 weight distribution make it incredibly agile. Whether you're on the track or carving through mountain roads, the RX-7 delivers a pure, exhilarating drive. Conclusion and final thoughts. Narrator. So, is the 2025 Mazda RX-7 the rotary-powered dream we've been waiting for? Absolutely. Mazda has managed to blend nostalgia with modern performance, creating a lightweight, high-revving sports car that enthusiasts will love. Narrator. With a starting price of around $55,000, the new RX-7 competes with the Toyota GR Supra, Nissan Z, and BMW M2. But for those who appreciate Mazda's rotary heritage and precision engineering, this car is one of a kind. Narrator. What do you think about the 2025 RX-7? Would you pick it over its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome car content. See you in the next video.